Hello everyone. Hello. Fun. In today's stream, I will try to complete that Pinterest clone that I'm working on from last 3 days. First, I will write my to-dos. Yesterday, I forgot to write to-do. Hello, buddy. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. Hello. Hello. I'm like super happy to see you. I guess you have joined like after 4 days, 3 or 4 days. Mhm. Hello. Yep. Yep. After 6 days. And I guess your exam was going on, no? I actually can't recall it, but I guess your exams were going on. Okay. Okay, nice. How was your exam? Your last exam was, I guess, chemistry or history. Okay, then history. I actually forgot that. My today's plan is to stream of minimum of 10 hours. Like yesterday, I was deep. Okay, deep learning. Nice, 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 nice. How was your exam? I also want to start like AI ML stuffs, but I'm more like currently I'm focusing on this one stack. Oh, nice. That's great. That's great. If you have any like proper path that I can follow. You can also share that. Squad with 3. Interest. This one. Create home. Home will have all the images. And we have create. Explore is similar to. Then we have account page. Notification is something different. Messages. Profile share. Edit profile. Created. Created is like a simple post. Then saved. We can also save. So these are things for in first phase I'm not adding. I will just if I explain the models, I have users for user authentication, then have image to store this image of the user that will have a user ID foreign key. So many roadmap available on GitHub. Okay. Like from you are a student of deep learning, no? So you have like you can tell. But I will explore it, but also you can, if you can help. Like I will start after like 3 or 4 months, not like today or tomorrow. Now I'm like doing C++ for game development in Unity. In my free time I do C++. Like I'm interested in like my focus is going towards game development now. I don't know why. The URL will be the URL image, then title of that post, we can say. If I go in create, then we have image, title, then we have description, links, boards, and we have tags. This will be a single tag of the user. So user ID, image ID. Okay, that's fine. Okay, buddy. And tags will have a list of tags. And then global tags. Global tags will have like for this will be used for suggestions. Like when I click on this search for tag, it will get data from the global tags, and it will suggest to the users. Like I will add some debounce and search and go to search. And now let's get started. Like 20 days until expiration. Okay, in users, not this one. Oh, DSA in C++, nice. I did when back in my times I did DSA in Java. That's why I need to switch to C++. I thought of doing C++, but like what technology you using for this Pinterest clone, like which technology? So for backend I'm using Express. If I show package.json, I will explain this one. Like bcrypt.js is for password hashing, body parser is for passing the border, then course for course policy. I will use crypto for generating unique IDs for this one. Like if I go here, I will get a unique ID. So for that I will use .env for env. Express is our server. Express validator is to validate body. Like in title I need minimum of 6 characters, so I can do that using this express validator. Then helmet for headers. Then HTTP status for status. JSON web token is for tokens. When user logged in, I will send the token to the front end. Lodash is for JavaScript management. Like I need to try this one. I haven't explored this one. Mongoose is for connecting with MongoDB, and then NodeMailer. NodeMailer is used to send notification. Like when user registers account, I will send him a notification of to verify his account. So for that purpose, I will be using NodeMailer, and here is the Mongoose Compass. And in front end, I will use Redux UI for the UI development, and S3 buckets for image storage, and CloudFront, AWS CloudFront for caching, like CDN. I also have some like Google Chrome extensions in my mind. I will I haven't written his like a flow, like what all things to be required. In today evening stream, I will try to start that one. I have some related to Kube. I thought of whenever this is done, I will host it in like I will Dockerize this application and use Kubernetes for scaling purpose. Like I will not have much scale, but for testing purpose, I will also do that. And okay, in auth, I have done with the login part. No, login is incomplete. Account account exists, password is incorrect. Okay, so here will be account exists but not verified. Passwords do not. Should I increase the font? This one will work. Hello. Okay, thank you for the feedback, buddy. And I have also taken a 30 days challenge of streaming regularly. But yesterday I was not feeling well, so I skipped that day. So today I will compensate on that. Like for password hashing, I am using a Bcrypt.js. So in register, I stored the password in hash format using this Bcrypt.js. I generated a salt. Then I did a hash sync with of password with salt, and just put dump that password in the our password uh, column, like in terms of MySQL. So if you can see, here is the password. So while login, when users enter his password like 1234, so what password BQ compare will do is it will take the password from body, and it will also take password from the table, like this password, and this password will be request from body, and this password will be this password, this one. Like I'm saying a lot of this, but this is what this is. So it will return true or false. Like if password doesn't match, it will return false. If password match, it will return true. So what not operator will do is, if this returns false, it will be a true, cause not of false is true, so it will be inside this one. And if it returns true, means password matched, so it will return true. So not of true will be false, so it will not go inside this one. So if this happens, what I will do is, I will do invalid credit. Why I've written true invalid? Heavily 1004 invalid credentials. Okay. Account not verified here. So I have done account exist, account not verified. First checking the account. So when this is done, what I will do is, I will generate a JWT token, and I will have to add token in my env. So what I will do is, I will move this here. I will add that to env because my SMTP password, SMTP user are also exposed in that. Here I will add. Okay, so here I have. Yes, buddy. It does not provide queue, I guess, but it is sufficient for small project. Like this project is for my personal, like this project will not have many users, no. So it can handle, like I will have most like I will have 2 users per second mostly, or minute I can say 2 users, like. So it is enough. But if I want anything else, I can use AWS SNS, I guess stand for notification service or mail service of AWS, and some other queues I can use. Some queues I can use. I know about Kafka, I guess. Kafka or Redis MQ I can use for that. Success, then craft, then craft, JW token. So what I will have is funds. And by the way, this is what send mails look like. Sending mail using this. I'm using Google Mail server on port, then secure, like this is for authentication. Auth user SMTP user and password I'm getting from env. Then from will be this one only. Then two will be user email that I will pass here. Then subject also and content also, and some stuff for debug. This will use to send mails, and it has a callback function of error and info. So if error, I'm doing console log of error. Then if success, I'm just using doing console log of info.response. So it will return a status on some message, I guess it returns. I guess here I will have to use pop compare sync, cause I'm doing hash sync. Uh, so let's see what is this one. But okay, so if I'm doing a sync, then I don't need to do that, I guess. Hmm. Nice. So what I will do is in JWT token I will have a mm, user ID. So first I will grab the data. It will be a simple object that will have an ID of uh, what I can do is check account dot ID and this. Okay, so this much is enough. And here what I will have is I will grab the token that auth token is equals to JWT dot sign, because first I need to import JWT. So okay, I need to initialize ESLint for checking. So when I log in with a value, okay, so first I will register using this verify account. So for now, login. If I paste this one, why invalid credentials? Refresh this one. I will have a 2. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so after I'm signing invalid credentials, account is not verified, so it will be 1014. If I go in constant 1015, please verify your account. 1015 will be 1015. Please verify. Nice. So for now, what I will do, I will change to 1, so account is verified, and do login. But equal to 1 now, so move here. Hmm. Sorry for this. Now let's see. Okay, in register. Okay, so I have a token, and with token I will send an user email to check account dot email. So this is fine. Now I will start with reset password, reset and forgot password, and reset password. Hello everyone. Hello. Hey segment, you are still there in the stream? Okay, thank you. Nice, nice. So I'm done with that register, verify and login. Now I have two more things to do in authentication. First one is forgot password and the second one will be reset password. So for forgot password, we'll first click the okay. Mm, mm. So for forgot, parallelly doing my. Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you. Uh, I have not I have not done a full-fledged system, but I have designed some of my personal projects. Yep, buddy. Like I know some stuffs, but like I have given some I do some interviews with my friend. Like we do practicing and all on that. Yep. If you have any query, you can ask about that one. Yep. Okay. 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 So why you are like going into system designs? And design is not a part of web development. Okay. Mm-hmm. System design is the entire other stuff only. Like web development is different, system design is different. Okay. So first, like do HTML, CSS, JS. Then you can try to like start uh, the system design, or else if you want have done one project. Okay, if you can share your project, like I can open it on this stream. Pepchins clone. It is a website. Pepchins. Let me search. Not pins. Okay, this one. Nice. Okay, responsive is like part two of any project. First is like whatever you have, you can share. Like I will open it and check. I like to view projects of other, like in my free time I go to GitHub. Yes, you can share it on Discord. Like YouTube won't allow that. The chats you can share on Discord. You can share on general chat or flex project share. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, this this is amazing. Like this is great. This this that okay. Yep. Great, but it's not a nice project. Great. Nice. Well done. I can also. But how I make it responsive? So you can use media queries for responsiveness. You can use media queries. Inspect. Yep. So you can. You can use media queries like this one, queries in CSS. You can go here. I will share this in Discord. You can check course link. In course link you can find this one. So this is what we have now. If the screen is smaller, changed. What I can do is I can give it a style class of h1, and normal style of h1 will be this. Hope this allows this one on size of 20 pixel. So if I make this 100 pixel, this is how it looks now. So what I can do is, using media queries, what we can do is, if the minimum screen is 480, so in mobile this looks like this one. So what I can do is I can take this one. Okay, so it should be class, cause okay, so this should work because we have only one h1 here. In body I move here and we'll make it to 30 pixel. So in mobile, for dimensions you can use like a CSS fix media queries. They have a complete guide on this one. You should prefer percentage mostly. Like if you want to give it a dynamic size, you can use percentage, and if you want it to be like a simple static size like 20 pixels, it should be a 20 pixel in mobile desktop, so you can use pixels. And rem and em I mostly use for like if this position relative and absolute. For that purpose I use rem and em. You should go with percentage if you want to like responsive design. 100%, 50% of the screen, 100% of the entire width. Okay, now forward password. Null. The user is null means invalid. Yep. If not of user means it is null, will return invalid credentials. Yes, you should check, like in dev2 you can also find many things. Media queries. You can search 2 or 3 and you can like read which one is suitable for you. This one is like I guess fine. I will share this one. Need to log in here, so let it be. This one is fine. Okay, not of user, so invalid is nice. Then yeah, I have a user. So what I will do is I will craft a link. What should I do for forward password is the process will like what I'm thinking of doing is I will create a custom secret that will be a combination of user, our JWT secret, and the user password, and I will craft the email with expiration time of around 5 hours. Okay, and I will send that link to user, and when user submits on the reset password, in reset password what I will do is I will get that email from that token, and will check if that email exists. Like I will write it down. Where is my book? Okay. So what I will do is custom secret that will be a combination of WT plus secret, and reset password will check email, not email. Okay, before getting data from that token, we need to have some other stuff to get the actual data, cause that our token is combination of this user password and JWT secret. To get user password we need to get a user object, and to get a user object we need some other stuff. So what we can do is I will have two levels. So first level will be ID, user ID, and second one will be token. So using ID I will get the user data and decode the JWT secret, and will check that email with the current user email. If that doesn't match, so we will have some errors. And if both of them matches, then we have a successful reset password. So here what I will do is the custom secret. So this will be JWT plus user dot password. Then we'll create a token dot sign. Email will be user dot email, and I will also put ID. This one is not needed actually, and we'll have a secret and pass in that I will take from env. So I will write here. After an I'm thinking of playing some games like Minecraft. So mostly I will stream game after I eat around 2 or 3 after lunch. And the evening stream I will try to start with the UI stuff of this project. Oh, I will try to come in the evening stream. I will try to complete this project cause for now I will do this one, forgot and reset, then we'll end the stream, and after the stream uh, around 1 or 2 I will start with the game streaming. Yep. I usually design UI in Figma, but I have like this this website only, so I will just copy the UI from here because Figma takes a time and I don't want to invest much time in that UI stuff because I have this one, no, so I can use this one. And also I'm not into UI designing, so I feel a bit bored. I'm more into coding stuff. Expires in platform. So here I give a constant number like 1 2 3 4, so that will be converted into hours. So if I want for 5 days I need to put there 120, so it will be a 120 hours. So I will create a link so that in the email user can directly have a link so to click on. So it will be process.p dot frontend URL slash new what I sent in the this one link register verify account. So here I will have new password and it will have user dot underscore id and it will have token. And then what I will do is I will create a link. So in mail template I will have a of reset password mail and it will take email and link only. Link subject will be and content will be I will copy from here. Hello, please let let's see. Works or not. So I will have my account open. Hey, hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, Zetrix X. I don't know how to pronounce. Okay. So I'm building a Pinterest clone. Okay, what is this? Now it should be green. Invalid. Fine. Hit OK. Okay, so why invalid? Because I have this account. But user null by is why user is null. User dot find one. I created authentication using US state and US context and it is working fine, but as soon as I refresh the page it goes to the login page again. Newbie right now, could you please suggest something? So what you can do is when the user logs in with the secure login and password, and suppose I guess you are implementing JWT token. So what you can do is you can store that token in your cookie or local storage, and whenever the page loads if you are using React, so in app.js what you can do is you can check if cookie is present in your that specific cookie. Suppose you give the name of auth token and store your token in that cookie with the name auth token. So when the page loads in app.js, you can check if you have some string or something like that, and you can reinitialize that one. And I refresh the page, it goes to the login page. Yes, that may be an issue, and you need to store you need to store that token in some storage. That is the issue. Wait, I have one project that I will show you where I have implemented this one. So here's the backend and front end of my newsletter system. If I open terminal here, and if I move to, oh I see, so use context also getting this. Yep. Use context will only be have data when you it will provide data to entire application, but when the page reloads it resets. You need to again log in. So for that you need to store some session or token or in some string in storage. So here what I'm doing is, when user logs in, okay, so this one is backend. In front end, src, I have used Redux in this project. And in components, if I move to where is the login stuff? Here. So whenever the login and post data, and when the login is successful, what I'm doing is I'm setting two cookies, like cookie.set auth token and auth email. Okay, and in app.js, not app.js, where it is in auth routes. Okay, not auth routes, it is in dashboard. So here you can see I'm checking if user.cookie.get auth token and auth email. I'm again saving the token and email. So I have when I thought it also works as Redux, but at a lower level for a small player. Yet, but you can use context or Redux. Context is also fine, but you need to store your token somewhere to make it available when the page reloads. If you have any other query, you can join my Discord. We can have a private chat there. Welcome, buddy. Okay, so I need to provide something here. Now I got. The issue is success message is not a function. Okay, so this should be success response. Okay, and in my mail I got the mail here. Hello, here is the reset link, and if I go to recent link, I'm into here. So I have ID here and token here, and this new password will target reset password. Hello. So this one is done. Now I will move to forgot password. Not forgot password, will be reset. It will reset password and I'm started with the backend part. I'm login, register, verify. One is done. Now I'm doing forgot password and reset password. And in the evenings stream, I will try to complete the entire project. Like only image uploading stuff is left. So today it will be done by end of the day. Well, my previous project took around one month to complete. What I showed you that newsletter system. I am used to that. Like in morning we have a scrum call, no? So we uh wait, I need to check it. I don't usually use that stuff, but it's so my LinkedIn username is look. Wait, I will add that to description. Uh, YouTube. And if you have any feedback about the channel, you can give it. It will help my channel. Edit. Now you can check. I have added. I'm not into social media, so if you find my page blank, uh, oh, hello, I received your request on LinkedIn. Yes. Okay, I have a nice profile actually. I was here. So, what are your like expertise? You are into backend, front end, or and if you have any feedback about this stream, you can leave it. I will try to implement. Oh, you are in Java backend, like Spring Boot or JSP servlet. I had a subject in my college, MVC, Java servlet, and JSP. I guess yes, JSP. Mhm. If adult, then I will get first body with password and password. Yep, Munstack. Munstack with, and I will also integrate S3, AWS S3, and AWS CloudFront. PSP and all I know, but that's kind of old. Spring Boot is the JSP and all I know, but that's kind of old. Spring Boot is the way to go, and I'm working on it. Okay, Spring Boot. I've heard this a lot. Thanks for searching for it. Like, why were you searching for Sam Malik? Spring Boot makes it easy to create standalone production. Based applications, you can just run. We take an optimized way of Spring Boot open method for elaborators so you can get the minimum for. If you are looking for information about this version instruction about the how to upgrade and you can check out features. Create standalone Spring applications. I will check it this time. So here I have ID and password, and I will have first dot not params query. Here I will have ID and token. About want this reset password and in auth routes reset password with the password. Here I will have ID and token. Okay, so at this point I have ID and token. What I will do is get user data with ID. So await user dot find by ID, and here we will have ID. Hello Rohan bhai. Welcome to the stream. Modulesh. Instead of new password, I will get reset password here. Okay, so as middleware is as its name says, middleware is between some stuffs. So why to use it? So suppose if I explain with an example, suppose you have some page, okay, some route that is get my personal that route will get your personal details. So for that one, you will set up authentication so that no one can access that page. So if I go here in get my data, so that data will be specific to yourself only, like your data will be different, my data will be different. So what we can do is in the level of between route and controller, we can put a middleware so that the user can get data from your token. So if you are using token based system, so use that middleware, what that middleware is do. So I guess I have middleware set up here. Where it is. So this one. So what I can also do this using JS in React front end, right, using a user time. Like you are asking for a middleware in front end or back end, because both have different use cases. Meaning is same, but both have different use cases. I can also do this using JS in React front end, right, using. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. I explained about the back end middlewares. You can use it. Tell me both. Okay. So front end middleware I haven't used, and so in backend I can explain. So where I left was this middleware, auth middleware. So what I will do is in the route I have suppose I have login. Example, let's assume login requires some credential from the user, and that credentials is the ID. So whenever I move here, like whenever I go to the controller of this login here. So what I will do is I will add a middleware at this level, or I can add at this level middleware. There it is. So what middleware function will do, it is between this route and the actual controller. So what middleware it do, it will perform okay, इसको मैं पूरा कर देता हूँ. So what this middleware is do, it will fetch specific data from the if I am sending authentication token in my header. So what middleware is doing, it will get that token from the header, and if you are using role based, that I can also check roles in the middleware. It will get a specific data, and if there is no data, so it will directly return before going into login. And if I have a specific data, I can pass that into the login using next. That next we have in express providers request response, and third is next. So what next will do is, if we put this login in as a middleware, so next we'll put the data, the current data, to the next function, and the next function will be this login stuff. Hope you understood. नहीं, ये सब नहीं रोहन भाई, गंदी बात. So in reset here I got the auth, it will be reset password, then I will have these two things. In body I will pass password, and see password will be new password. This will be also a new password. Again user is null. Okay. So I forgot to add headers. Both are undefined. Why? IDM token. So this should be params. I am populating sub card on the page. Example product. I have a pagination and filter on the same page. Without the filter search, the pagination works fine. But when I do filter search, it does not work. So how you are implementing filters? Like I'm assuming you are getting 10 products for page 1, and then other 10 for page 2, so from 11 to 20 and from 21 to 30. So you are implementing pagination on that 10 products only, or what you are doing? So here I have the user data. Now I will try to decode it. I have pagination from backend. I don't want to load, and then filter in back, and then bad. That's bad for resource. Yes, I got that. But how you are implementing the filter? Like I have pagination from backend. I don't want to load all the products, and then filter in front end. That's bad for resources usage. Yes. Yep. So you are applying filters on every product, or only those products who are loaded, like for only 10 products or 20 products? If you can share your code, it will be great. You can share your GitHub account. Okay, so here what I will do is in reset password. You can implement the filter on those products only. So you can store, if you are using React, you can store that products 10 products in a state value, and in filter, whenever users searches or filters anything, you can implement arrays filter property, and when the user changes page, that state will be reinitialized with the new list of projects or array of products. So what I need to do is I have user and I have a token. That's the problem. It's reinitialized every time after I click on page number. That's the problem. It reinitializes every time after I click on page number after searching filter, but without any search filter it's fine. Like if I am visualizing correct, so you have numbers, like if numbers in the bottom and search filter on the top, and when you search something the state get reinitialized with a new one, like filtered one, and when you click on the page, next page or previous page, it reinitializes again. So that's the correct. No, after I click on the page number after search and filter but without any search filter it's fine. Like that's the problem. It's nice. It should be like that only, no? Like if you are searching for a next page, every product should be every old product should be reinitialized with a new project, no? So like if you have 10 for the first time, it should be next 10, like from 11 to 20 or 21 for the next time. When I click on page 2, it shows page 1 content. Okay, so I guess issue is with the state. You need to reinitialize it. So you can create a function, a parent function, like what we call closure function, and you can enclose that everything in that effect only, function only. And when the page is changed to the next page, you call the API, and when the API is it returns something, you again reinitialize the state, and you would clear the filter property. That's fine. And while rendering the stuff, you need you must implement that filtered or search function. Like I have a project, I will show you. This one I have created this blog, and this is my personal blog website backend. So I need to move to front end. I need to search where I have written that one. So I have this. This one is for this I have used GraphQL. In SRC, screens, visitors, pages, blog page, and you have blog post. Where I did that is so here you can see I have a search functionality here. I don't know why the content is not coming, but this is for the items. So here you can see I have implemented that. I have a data here and data dot filter value. The value, I get this value from here. Whenever this changes, if the search text is empty, I am returning the entire object, and if search text is something else, I return different value. So this return will have a single object that I am passing into blog, this blog, and this blog component is at blog card. So this is where I get the data. So at rendering level you need to implement filter, if I am correct, like if I understood your problem. You can check this project. I guess this is no, this is private project. I will try to make it public. So I have added that on Discord in courses link. You can find that here. Okay, so now I was at here. So before this also what I can do, if password not equals to say password, I can return. Few cards are already loaded, and when I click on the page without doing any search, the page is about fine. Page by page it shows new card, but when I search product it stops working. For this I need to check your project, how you are doing that. I need to have a clear understanding of this. It will move here only, so I don't need to put try catch. This try catch will come here. So instead of doing this, what I can do is I can directly open. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. user, have a user. I can do is I can again craft that secret is equals to dot env dot on this one secret plus user is user password. Okay, so I have a secret again. Now I need to verify it. For that, const verify is supposed to jwt dot verify. Verify will take a token and a secret. Let me console log it. Okay. Verify, I got the email and the okay. So of email is supposed to verify and I will have a email. Now I can do simple thing is like if not of email, if email not equals to user dot email, we'll return this one. I will add here internal server error. Someone is trying to hide here. And now everything is done. Then I have a password, so I will again generate a salt. Okay, so if I use so both are same, 10 salt of lemon with 10 and const of set password. And updating the existing user. Here I will do IT is our IT. And dollar set will be password is secure password. And So now for this account my password is Abhishek. Remove here and add new password, and if I again try to log in with this one, but that didn't work, I guess. Why token expired? Invalid signature. Okay. So the issue is with invalid signature. Verify secret is user dot password. I have a user here. I try to console log it. User. Signature. So token and secret. AWT and password was, so let me console log this one. This is correct. And why invalid signature? AWT secret plus user dot password. But maybe the issue is was verified text token and so I have token secret. Let me check again. It takes token and a message. So I have a token and a secret. I have a token from here and I have a secret here. Why this is not working? Password is while doing reset password. Forward password I have secret and user.password. The user using email. If I try to do this, email, I have email here and that one is not a problem because if we are fetching, we are getting data from ID and let me check if this ID exists or not. B7, yes, this one exists. So what I can do is set password. So the issue is token and secret. Here, secret I have here. Okay, so that means I need to do again reset password again if it did not work. Mail sent. Here I have a new mail. I go to the link, copy this one, paste this here, password, reset password. Okay, fine. Now okay, so let me check passwords. Then why this is where I'm missing. Where is the issue? Where is the issue? Use update one ID set password with the secure password. ID is this. I can do based on the email. F0. Okay, not FF0, it's FF0. Okay, to change it is 9. Okay, and shit, I need to have my breakfast. Audit account or in. Okay, so you're not here in login. Hello, sunshine. Welcome to the stream. Hey. Okay, so this one is working. So I'm done with the login authentication stuff. So I will with this one. Let me check it. So I will do again stream in the afternoon around 2 or 3, but that will be of mine. I will mostly play Minecraft, or let's see. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.